your friend Zapper.
Wow.
Should have lit all of it. I almost died.
Oh, damn. That's beautiful. Woohoo!
That was good, buddy.
That's beautiful. Good job, babe. Where are you?
You like that?
Yeah.
That's good. Brights on us.
He ain't driving though.
He ain't driving, but he's got his
He can't
brights
see
on.
anything.
He wants to see more fireworks.
That was awesome.
Outside too.
Well, that's where we're talking about. It's only a matter of time before they call the police, so let's light everything.
Outside watching it.
Well, that's good for them.
Matter of time.
It's just a matter of time.
Hello, hello,
There you go, Foxy.
hello.
Watch out for the
Ah!
Run, nigga, run!
Is there a big one in there? Is there a big one in there, babe?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Pretty fucking big.
Oh, they're closing the door. Happy New Year, honey. Well, we didn't get to see.
Gotta kill that thing.
Oh shit, that's loud.
Yeah, everybody is broke this year, dog. There will be no smoke in the streets. Light my fuselage.
That was nice.
We had the neighbors out there.
Light my fuselage.
Hey, I want to light one.
He's about to like that.
You're gonna let me light some, right?
Yeah, don't worry. We got big ones for you, honey.
Alright.